everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys would like to recreate this look or see how I did it, make sure you keep watching this video. I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to recreate this look. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe, give it a big thumbs up if you are already loving fall, and let's get started. So I don't really have an inspiration for today's makeup look. I'm kind of just going to mix some colors together and pray they turn out and look really cute together. I think this will be really cool, and I kind of have an idea. I kind of want it to be like a fall smoky eye. That's really what I'm going for and what I'm envisioning. But we're first going to start off with the base of the makeup, because right now, as you guys can tell, I have nothing on. First thing I'm going to be using today is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Face Primer. I absolutely love this primer. It is really amazing, and it just really works wonders for your skin. Now it's time for foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Naked Skin One and Done foundation. This foundation is my absolute favorite. It's such an amazing foundation, and I absolutely love it. And it's not really full coverage, it's more of a light coverage foundation. I always apply the foundation with a beauty sponge, and I do have a mirror right here, so if you see me looking this way, that is why. So if you're like me and you do not really like thick foundation, I totally recommend this. It just makes your face look so flawless, and it's one of my favorites. So now that I have my foundation on, it's time to apply some powder. Some people are fortunate, they do not have to worry about wearing powder, but I personally just like wearing it. I don't know, I feel like I'm going to easily rub my makeup off if I don't apply powder. So I'm going to be using today the Urban Decay All Nighter powder, and this is actually waterproof. So I'm going to be applying this with this e.l.f. Total Face Brush. And the good thing about this powder is you do not have to use a lot. So this powder will last you a long time. So now that our powder and foundation is complete, it's now time for some bronzer. I'm going to be using the Mellow Face Blush. This is actually a blush, but it's in the color bronze, and I think this works perfect for a bronzer, so that is why I love using this. And I'm going to be using just this basic Wet n Wild brush. It's an angled brush, so it does the job well. Now for blush, I'm going to be using this Ellen Tracy Radiant Complexion palette. I'm just going to be using this blush. And something I love about this blush is it has a shimmer to it, so it's just really pretty. And I'm going to be taking the same brush that I applied my bronzer, and I'm going to be using the same brush. So the next step is eyebrows. So I'm going to be using, to brush out my eyebrows first, this e.l.f. Lash and Brow Wand. And then to actually apply the powder, I'm going to be using this Morphe brush right here. For my brow color, I showed this in my recent makeup tutorial. I actually just used the Morphe 9B Bronze Bay palette, and this is just a color that I found works best. I used the color Volcano. I find it easier just to use an eyeshadow palette because you already have that handy. Now it is time for eyeshadow, one of the most creative parts of your makeup look. I'm going to be using my handy dandy Morphe 350 palette. This palette is amazing. It has a ton of fall colors in it, as you guys can tell. I absolutely love every color in here, and this is mainly the side I'm going to be working with today. I am going to venture over here also. These are the main eyeshadow brushes I will be using today. These are all by Morphe as well. I got them in a 12-piece set, and they are my favorite eyeshadow brushes ever. So we're going to do something kind of bold, like I said, a fall smoky eye. So the first color we're going to start with is this color right here, and I'm actually going to put this all over my lid. And these colors are super pigmented. I know it looks crazy right now, but it will look better. We just have to blend and really work with it. Okay, so now that that is applied, we are going to start transitioning it so it's not just so bold looking. We're going to transition that line a little bit. We're going to be using this color right here. I absolutely love it. It's kind of shimmery. I already like the way it's starting to turn out, but now we're going to definitely transition it. We're actually going to take this lighter color right here. So now I'm going to go in with a darker color just to give the crease a little bit of something. We're going to take this brown color right here, which I think will be really pretty together. This highlight palette, and we're going to be using this color right here for highlight. Okay, so I really like the way this looks, but no makeup look is complete without some winged eyeliner, so I'm actually going to do that. NYX liquid eyeliner. I absolutely love this eyeliner. I have like the hardest time doing eyeliner on camera, so we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so eyeliner's complete. Now it's time for mascara. I'm going to be using this Voluminous Superstar Red Carpet Black. Okay, so now I'm going to do the other eye and I'll see you after. Okay, so both eyes are now complete and now it's time for some lip color. So today I'm going to be using this Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie lip gloss. I think this lip gloss is a perfect color. It matches the eye look perfectly. Okay, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I think this is perfect for fall. I love the darker lip color. This is usually not a color that I would typically wear, but I absolutely love it. I think it is perfect for fall. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogtober video. If you did, like I said, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.